Hello, welcome back to our channel. Are you eager to dive into the world of affiliate marketing but worried about the costs involved? Fear not. In this video, we'll show you how to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey with absolutely no money. That's right, zero investment required. Let's get started.
Step 1. Choose your niche. To start affiliate marketing without money, it's crucial to select a niche that aligns with your interests, knowledge, and has a good market demand. Research popular niches, identify your target audience, and find a niche that you're passionate about. Step 2. Find affiliate programs. Once you've chosen your niche, search for affiliate programs that are free to join. Many companies offer affiliate programs that don't require any upfront fees. Look for reputable affiliate networks or directly approach brands in your niche to inquire about their affiliate opportunities.
Step 3. Create valuable content. Content is the backbone of affiliate marketing. Start by creating high-quality, informative, and engaging content that resonates with your target audience. It can be in the form of blog posts, videos, social media posts, or podcasts. Focus on providing value and building trust with your audience.
Step 4. Optimize your content for SEO. Search engine optimization plays a vital role in driving organic traffic to your content. Learn the basics of SEO and optimize your content with relevant keywords, meta tags, and descriptions. This helps your content rank higher in search engine results and attract more potential customers. Step 5. Leverage social media platforms. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your affiliate content without spending a dime. Create profiles on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or Pinterest, and share your content regularly. Engage with your audience, join relevant communities, and leverage the reach of social media to grow your affiliate marketing presence. Step 6. Harness the power of email marketing. Building an email list allows you to directly communicate with your audience and promote your affiliate offers. Offer a valuable lead magnet such as an ebook or exclusive content to entice visitors to subscribe. Send regular newsletters or targeted emails that provide value and include your affiliate links strategically. Step 7. Network and collaborate. Connect with fellow affiliate marketers or influencers in your niche. Collaborate on joint projects, guest post on each other's platforms, or exchange promotional shoutouts. Building relationships and expanding your network can expose your affiliate marketing efforts to a wider audience. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting affiliate marketing with no money. Remember, success in affiliate marketing takes time and effort, but with dedication and consistent action, you can generate income without spending a dime up front. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Wishing you all the best on your affiliate marketing journey. Until next time.